Synod College Shillong hakasngi palai kalapan long yaka graduation day hadinam hall jayau but hakanika program lapan burom kerpang yaki khandai ngut ki samla pule jongka college ke bala wanshakhmat hakijing pule jongki U Commissioner and Secretary Kasor Kajala Uba Frederick Roy Karkongor Kumukongsan Ringkat Kijing Donlang U Principal Synod College U Dr. R.M. Lingdo Ginong Hikai Bat Kiwei Gilapan Kuburom Yaki Khandai Ngut Kisamla Puli Gibalawan Shakhmat Hakajing Puli Balapan Kuburom Ru Yaki Hendrio Spat Lai Pondrio Ngut Kisamla Puli Gibalapan Dab Yakijing Puli Yakijongki Nakanika College Habakran hakajialang uba FR Karkongor ulayaro yak Synod College gabala tre shitam bat no sinyang yak imlang salang kamtam hakaban sandur yak lawai jongki samla tang bakin long tang kum kita kinong wat kam wat jam hendrai kum kinong sengkam ulakan tui samla pule ke bala pendap yak jing pule jongki baki dai ban peteng ban penbit penbiang yalade bat kiwe ki sabru hakabia dai bat kalan information technology bat networking kanang bakin la banyo kam yo jam hakani ka juk start ka menta ka baka jing nang jing tip ikikor kibor kalong kabakong sanbha
talking about graduation day. What's most important for all of you to remember is that you carry within you much of the magic that you desire in the world. We are now called to be challenged, and I'm happy that Synod College has equipped you with good all-round education so that you can emerge and go into the outside world and be, I'm equipped to be not only to be job seekers, but hopefully to be job creators, to be employable. We often talk about unemployment problem, but whenever we sit with the experts, they say that we need employable people. So you have got a degree now. It's important for you that you also equip yourselves with more skills, with communication skills, with the IT skills, so that you become more and more employable. The biggest challenge that the world faces, our state faces, is to have employable people, is to have people with skill sets. Why do we need so many consultants from outside? It's because we need to develop our inherent skill sets. We need to be at a stage where we ourselves can provide solutions to our own problems. And all of you 630 of you graduating students, you have already been equipped with sound education and sound skill sets. You have to, I think, seek opportunities whereby you do value addition to whatever education that you have.